Unleash the full potential of your refrigerator with the Maigoo 4890JL1002P. A glass shelf replacement meticulously engineered for LG fridges. It's more than just a shelf. It's a foundation for freshness. A stage for your culinary creations. This Maigoo LG glass refrigerator shelf is a clear pane of potential, offering a pristine and stable surface where you can organize everything from vibrant fruits and vegetables to delicate dairy products. Consequently, your fridge becomes a well-lit gallery, each item easily visible and accessible. Furthermore, the tempered glass construction is a bastion of strength, holding a world of groceries without a single complaint. Therefore, you can confidently stack heavy containers and gallon jugs, knowing this shelf will not buckle under pressure. Not only is it incredibly durable, but it also cleans up with remarkable ease, so you can quickly wipe away spills and crumbs, thus maintaining a hygienic environment. The Maigoo LG glass refrigerator shelf is a breath of fresh air for any tired fridge. Think of it as a new canvas, ready to be filled with the colors of your kitchen. Meanwhile, the old, cracked, or stained shelf was a murky window, obscuring the beauty within. This replacement shelf, however, is a beacon of clarity, shedding light on every nook and cranny of your fridge's interior. As a result, finding ingredients becomes a seamless, stress-free experience, and you'll no longer lose forgotten items in the back. Because of its perfect fit, this Maigoo LG glass refrigerator shelf slides smoothly into place, creating a sense of unity and purpose within your appliance. Indeed, it is a testament to the idea that a small change can make a monumental difference in the daily rhythm of your home life. Ultimately, this shelf is the silent hero of your kitchen, working tirelessly behind the scenes to keep your food organized and your mind at ease. In essence, the Maigoo 4890JL1002P glass shelf is not merely a functional part but an upgrade to your entire refrigeration system. Initially, it might seem like a simple piece of glass, yet it holds the key to a more organized and efficient kitchen. While some might overlook the importance of a good shelf, its role is pivotal, holding the very architecture of your food storage together. The Maigoo LG glass refrigerator shelf stands as a crystal-clear promise of order and durability, transforming your refrigerator from a chaotic cavern into an orderly pantry. Although it is a single component, its impact is far-reaching, improving both the aesthetics and the functionality of your appliance. In short, it is the cornerstone of a well-maintained fridge, a silent sentinel watching over your food supply and ensuring everything is in its proper place. Consequently, your culinary adventures begin with a clean and clear canvas, all thanks to this remarkable replacement shelf. Pros: fits LG fridge models well, restores fridge's original look, easy to install, good value for the price, durable and strong glass, clean appearance, quick shipping and delivery, saves money versus new fridge, simple to clean. Exact replacement part, strong customer reviews. Cons: not a perfect fit, glass may be fragile, misleading product description. Features: Model 4890JL1002P, refrigerator glass shelf, replacement part, fits LG fridge, easy to install, clear glass, durable, smooth edges, simple design. The Maigoo 4890JL1002P refrigerator glass shelf is a replacement part for LG fridges. It is made of durable, clear glass with smooth edges for a simple and safe design. This glass shelf is easy to install, making it a convenient solution for replacing a broken or damaged shelf. The Maigoo 4890JL1002P refrigerator glass shelf is a replacement part for several LG fridge models. It offers a clean appearance, is durable, and is easy to install. The product is a good value for the price and can save money compared to buying a new refrigerator. However, some customer reviews mention that it may not be a perfect fit. The glass can be fragile, and the product description may be misleading.